Welcome the our channel. Today we how to verify Airtable record changes with revision history, full guide step by step clearly. To verify Airtable record changes using revision history, start by opening your Airtable bay. Navigate to the table that contains the records you want to examine. Locate the specific record for which you wish to check the revision history. Click on the record to open the record preview pane on the right side of the screen. Look for the Revision History option in the menu that appears.
Click on Revision History to access a detailed view of changes made to the record. Review the timeline that shows when changes were made and by whom. You will see a list of modifications, including additions, deletions, and edits. Hover over each entry to view detailed information about specific changes.
You can click on any entry in the list to see the record state at that particular point in time. If you want to restore a previous version of the record, select the desired version. Click the Restore button to revert the record to that state. Once you've restored the record, confirm that the changes reflect accurately as per your needs. Close the Revision History pane to return to your table view. Regularly checking revision history can help maintain data integrity and track changes effectively. Remember to communicate with your team when significant changes have been made to important records. This process ensures everyone is on the same page and maintains a smoother workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.